In the last video, I showed you how to make your own Vtuber for free. In this one, I will show you how to program it in a super easy way. If you haven't watched my previous video, go check it out before this one. Now let's get to work. Previously, we designed our own avatar from start to finish and we separated every part in different layers. Now we need to export every layer separately in a PNG format with the transparency on for the background. When every layers are done, you should have a folder just like this. Now we are going to download the program PNGtuber Plus to rig our avatar. The link to install PNGtuber Plus is in the description down below. It's really easy to download. When you open PNGtuber Plus, you will arrive on this window and you will have this little guy here. You will see the soundbar with the mic icon, same as OBS. The principle of this PNGtuber program is that your avatar will be reacting to the sound of your voice. Your character's movements will be activated by your voice. Don't panic if you don't have a background, just select the wheel right here. On the top you can choose the color of your background. It will be the background of your avatar when you will record in OBS or other programs like that. After that you can click on the pencil icon to open the editing mode. If you click on the eye circle at the right bottom corner, you will have all the instructions of how to use all the different tools and shortcuts of the software. First, you need to import every PNG of every part of your Vtuber in the folder of the software. Click Escape on your keyboard to open it. Now you need to drag and drop the folder with all your PNGs in the PNGtuber Plus folder. You can now delete the default character and import yours. Click on the Add icon and select your folder with all your PNGs in it. Select a layer and open it to import it. And do this for every layer one by one. When everything is imported, the layers will not be in order, so you need to place them by attributing a level for each, from the layer who is under every other ones to the one who is completely on top. You can see the levels with the number beside the section named Layer. You can change the levels of the layers by clicking the button Q or E on your keyboard. When every layers are in the right order, you can set up the mouth close and open and the eyes close and open with the icons for it. It's the two X boxes icons. The first is for the mouth and the second is for the eyes. For example, select the layer of your mouth open and choose the mouth open icon in the little box to associate it with this layer. Do the same for the mouth close and the two sets of eyes. Now you can test your avatar by exiting the editing mode with the X icon. After you can save your model, select the save icon and open your folder that contains your PNGs and name your file. You can load your model to see if it's saved correctly. When everything is in place, it's time for the movements. It's your choice really. For the bounciness, the rotation, the stretch and squash, just play with every settings to see what you prefer. Close the editing mode if you want to see how it would look like when you talk. You can also adjust the sensibility of your microphone as you wish. You can also link some elements together to make it easier. It's when the smaller parts, the child, will follow the movements of a bigger part, the parent. For example, the head will be the parent, and all the facial features and the hair will be all different child for the head. It's the same for parenting the clothes and the body parts. For linking the parent with the child, you need to select the layer of the child part, click on the chain icon and select the layer of the parent part. You need to do that for every different child. After, you can also program every child part individually and they will still follow the parent part. With these directions, you should be able to program your PNGtuber pretty easily. But if you want to know more details on how to program it, go watch the tutorial of tsurudraws. It's well explained with more depth and very easy to understand. I will link the video in the description down below. Now I'm going to program every movement of my character just how I want it. At the end, be sure to change the settings for your liking in the wheel menu out of the editing mode, like the speed blink, the bounce and other important stuff. And there you have it! My character is all set for recording. Now the last step is to test it in OBS to see the result when I'm recording. When you arrive in OBS, just add a new window capture over your current window. Select the source to be the Vtuber Plus program. This will only work if your Vtuber Plus program is open with your character in it. Put your character wherever you want in your screen. Change the background of your character in the Vtuber Plus program if you want it to be transparent or another color. And now you're ready to record. If you like this video and find it useful, don't forget to like and comment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any new videos coming up soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.